This is the Fractal Lumen S36 V2, and I'm not sure we've been conflicted over an AIO as much as we've been with this one. There are some things that we really do love about it, and some things that left us scratching our head. On the positive side, this thing ticks all the right boxes for an AIO to use in a small form factor build. It has a low profile CPU block, it has flexible hoses, it has an AIO pump that doesn't take up extra space inside the build, and as a bonus, it's reasonably priced. So you're not paying extra for this being an AIO that can work in smaller spaces. So with all that put together, the Lumen V2 could be an effective solution where space is a premium. However, this also comes with some heavy caveats. The overall performance is a bit middling, so you'll need to make sure that it's inside a PC case with plenty of air feeding it. The fan specs are a bit lower for static pressure and airflow than we'd like to see, so you might have to replace the fans, which may not be a bad thing because they use both the 5-volt RGB cable and a fan cable, so more cable management is needed as well. However, swapping to a unified fan system would save room and potentially help this AIO be more successful. Then there's the mounting hardware. While the Lumen V2 has a wide range of support for different CPUs, the mounting hardware is just as old and tired as some of those processors. Also, you're probably going to need a second set of hands when installing this, including one with tiny fingers. The hardware doesn't quite stay in place on the Intel side, and on the AMD side, you'll need nimble fingers to get the pump's RGB cable plugged in since the hardware gets in the way of it. Do you see where I'm conflicted? The bottom line is the Lumen isn't a terrible AIO, it just needs the right conditions to be successful in. If you want to hear more about the Fractal Lumen V2, you can watch our full review over at youtube.com/robitech.